So, hi, my name is Mauricio. In this tutorial series, I am going to make a brief introduction to the basic elements for writing a thesis or a small book using LaTeX. I am going to make this first video in order to show you what you should be able to do by yourself after this tutorial video, and actually so you can decide if you want to take a look at this one, because the videos are actually going to be very long. You should be able to create a small book with a title page, with title, the name of the author, the date, and the created PDF. You will also be able to navigate between the different chapters and sections created. A special package will create all these links you can click on, and you will be redirected to the chapter or section you are interested in. Not only that, but let me take a look at this one. Let's take this one out, maybe that, so you can take a look at that better. So you have the title page that you're going to create. You will also be able to create a table of contents with exactly the same chapters and sections and the page number to each one of those. You don't have to type anything of that. You only need one command and everything's going to be created automatically. You can click on the different ones and you will be redirected exactly to that place. So you have the title page, the table of contents with the different chapters, appendices, the bibliography, and the list of tables, figures, and an index. And well, each one of the chapters is going to be a video. So I am going to do 4 videos, and in each of the videos I am going to talk about the different things that you will create. In the first chapter, or in the first video, I am going to show you what kind of text groups you are able to use in the document class book, like in this, creating a small book like this one. You will be able to create chapters, sections, subsections, sub-subsections, and so on, and also appendices that you can position at the end of the document. And of course, I will also talk about the main thing that is useful in LaTeX, or that's why we actually mostly use LaTeX for mathematical oriented documents, to be able to create equations, and not only equations but automatically numbered equations you can refer to in the middle of the text, and also non-enumerated equations, and also multiple equations and equations within the text. Well, in the first video I will also show you how to set the very basic page settings like the margin, and at the end of the first video I will show you how to create footnotes that are placed at the bottom of the page, and also how to create an index with how you can index some words, and the index will be also positioned at the very end of the document. And all the indexed words are listed alphabetically, and near to them you have also the page number, where you can, thanks to the package hyperref, you can click on and you will be redirected exactly to the page where the word can be found. At the end of each video, and as you can see here at the end of the chapter, I will also make a list of all the commands that I have introduced, so you can still have an overview what have I learned in this video or in this chapter. In the second video I am going to show you how to use arrays in order to create matrices within equations, or to put different stuff in the array, and also how to create tables with a caption and with a label, so you can also refer to those tables. How to create also very long tables, because sometimes you will get a lot of data and you will have a table that will not fit in only one page. So those are not very rare. And at the end of the second video, I will also show you how to embed figures, so how to label them, how to refer to them, and also if you are going to work with EPS figures, a very special feature that you are able to use in LaTeX is that, for example, here is the original EPS figure. Is another format. Well, you usually use JPEG or PNG. The EPS figures are another kind. And if you have text within the EPS figure, you can manipulate and those the text content and put something else as you want. As for example, I changed that in that, that in that, and I also move it within the figure and that to that. So that's actually a very useful feature in order to have an uniform text within the entire document, because these fonts are something else that I am going to use in the actual LaTeX document. There's the list of the commands that are going to be introduced, and in the third video I am going to show you how to create URLs you can click on and your web browser will be opened, so you can redirect somebody from the PDF exactly to a web page, and how to also make literature citations from a BibTeX file. That's what the file is called. And all the literature that you cite within your document will be listed, let me go, in a bibliography, which is also created automatically from the data that you have in this BibTeX file. At the end, I will also show you how to set an email. So you can also give an email into the in your thesis, and you can just click on your email, and your email program will be opened up, and you can send an email right away. Those are the commands for that. And yeah, and in the last video, I am going to show you how to set up the language for the entire document. Then if you can see, I wrote everything in English, so I hope to be able to help more people with that. But these words like chapter or figure here were created automatically by LaTeX, so I was not able to change that. But well, you are able to change that, of course, with a special package. So if you want to write something in your language, or I don't know, if you want to write something in German, you will want to have here a Kapitel, or if you want to write something in Spanish, a capítulo, or something in whatever your language is. You can set up these things within the editor, and well, that will allow you to create a document in your own language. And the very last thing that I'm going to show you is how to use also macros from another file, because well, with the time you will develop your own style, and there will be a lot of commands that you will actually really like. But it would be also great to have all that set of commands that you like for your style to have in a separate file, and use them in the different documents that you are working on. Those are called macros. Those are the commands. Well, here you can see also, besides the chapters, the appendices A and B, the bibliography, and the list, the automatically created list of tables and figures, and at the end, the index. So that's going to be everything that you should learn, or I would like to show you in this tutorial. And as a small motivation, or maybe just to take a look at something else, I am working right now on this document, and well, I have a very long list of contents, a preface, different chapters, well, a lot of stuff, and also URLs so to give information in the web. Well, more mathematical stuff that it's not very interesting right now because it's just about the document, and also tables and figures. And as you can see here, wait, I also changed the text that I had in this EPS figure with characters that I use actually in the document, so everything is uniform. Or also here, I think I had there just P and I replaced it with the Greek letter. So, well, then I hope that this will be helpful for you, and if you like it, well, take a look at the videos and then maybe see you later.